In the oppressive darkness of the bedroom, an old man awakens, eyes wide with fear, as the silence screams louder than any sound. Ragged breaths cut through the heavy stillness, each gasp a desperate plea in the suffocating quiet. Whispering into the shadows, the old man wonders, "What was that?" Each shadow seems to dance with menace, twisting familiar shapes into a monstrous old man's room. The silence presses in, an invisible weight threatening to suffocate, amplifying every creak and groan of the old house. Heart pounding, senses heightened, the old man strains to hear any clue, any sign of what disturbed the night. A house emerges from the darkness, revealing the hidden forces of expansion and contraction at play. Words appear on the screen, revealing the silent drama of house settling. The expansion-contraction cycle. The image of the house pulses with life, showing how temperature fluctuations invisibly reshape the very foundations of the home. Heat causes expansion, subtly pushing, altering the structure. Cold induces contraction, pulling everything back, and the house groans under the strain. The endless cycle continues, a silent, constant battle within the walls of the house. Within the claustrophobic confines of the wall, pipes groan and expand under the relentless surge of hot water, becoming the prime suspects. The pipes knock fiercely against the wood framing, amplifying the unsettling sounds of a home's hidden turmoil. Now, the serial offenders. The relentless expansion and collision of pipes create a symphony of disruption behind the walls. The pipes are the serial offenders. In the shadowy expanse of the attic, unseen nocturnal creatures stir, their hushed movements weaving a tapestry of mystery. Raccoons, elusive shadows, dart through the dust-laden air, their presence betrayed only by fleeting silhouettes. The attic's hidden inhabitants are revealed to be the source of the strange nighttime sounds, their secret world now brought to light. Neurons misfire in a symphony of chaos, conjuring phantom noises as consciousness fades. Spectral echoes reverberate through the neural pathways, each burst of activity a phantom sound only the sleeper can perceive. The brain morphs into a surreal landscape where every flicker and pulse represents a hallucinated auditory experience. In this inner world, the sleeper is both audience and architect, as phantom noises take shape in the theater of the mind. A termite colony thrives, their silent feast marked by ominous clicking sounds. The beam's structural integrity diminishes with each passing moment, setting the stage for inevitable collapse. In the stillness of night, the old man reclines in bed, a faint smile gracing his lips. He listens intently as the house whispers its ancient secrets, each creak and groan now understood through the lens of science. The science of nighttime sounds, inviting viewers into a world of acoustic wonder. The old man says, "The science of nighttime sounds."